Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best headlight sealer is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial investments for any car owner, as it not only restores the clarity and brightness of your headlights, significantly improving nighttime visibility and driving safety, but also protects them from future oxidation, UV damage, and environmental wear, ensuring your vehicle maintains its aesthetic appeal and functionality for years to come, making it an essential part of routine car maintenance. Number 5. Chemical Guys Headlight Restore and Protect. Are your headlights looking cloudy or yellowed? This product is designed to bring them back to life. It effectively cleans away oxidation and grime that builds up over time. You'll be amazed at how much clearer they become. Not only does it clean, but it also restores the original clarity of your headlight lenses. Enjoy improved visibility and a refreshed look for your vehicle. Beyond restoration, it forms a protective barrier. This shield helps prevent future fading and yellowing, keeping them clear for longer. This formula is safe for a wide range of vehicles, including trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and RVs. It's an essential tool for maintaining your vehicle's appearance and safety. What we like. This product is a triple threat for your headlights. It not only cleans and restores clarity but also protects against future fading. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to maintain your vehicle's visibility and appearance, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews found in the source JSON. No reviews found in the source JSON. Number 4. Chemical Guys JetSeal Anti-Corrosion Sealant. This advanced sealant creates a durable shield for your vehicle's paintwork. It protects against road dirt, water spots, and environmental fallout, while enhancing gloss and color depth. Its long-lasting synthetic formula bonds to paint, glass, and metal surfaces. This provides months of protection, keeping your vehicle looking cleaner between washes and details. It delivers a brilliant, reflective finish that enhances paint clarity and depth. Your vehicle will have a sleek, showroom-quality appearance after every application. This product is safe for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and even boats. It works effectively on painted surfaces, glass, and metal, offering comprehensive protection across multiple vehicle types. Applying it is incredibly easy, whether by hand or machine. Simply spread a thin layer, allow it to bond, then buff it off to reveal a slick, glossy, and protective surface that resists everyday dirt. Trusted by detailers worldwide, this premium sealant combines superior protection with an incredible shine. It's an essential product for any detailing enthusiast or professional seeking top-tier results. What we like. This sealant creates a durable shield for various surfaces. It provides long-lasting protection against environmental fallout while enhancing gloss and depth of color. If you want a showroom-quality finish that lasts for months on multiple vehicle types, this product is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Formula 1 Headlight Restorer and Sealant. Tired of dull, yellowed headlights? This product instantly clears cloudy, dull, and yellowed headlights, making them look new again. It's a simple solution for a brighter, clearer view. More than just a cleaner, it also seals and protects. This unique polish guards against oxidation, weathering, and harmful UV rays, keeping your lights clear for longer. Beyond aesthetics, it significantly improves your car's appearance and enhances visibility. Renewing hazy headlights to like new clarity means a safer driving experience, especially after dark. It's not just for headlights. You can use it on cloudy brake lights, turn signals, helmet visors, and even marine windows. This versatile solution works on many clear plastic surfaces. Forget complicated procedures or expensive tools. All you need is this liquid plastic polish and a clean microfiber towel. It's a quick and easy one-step process to achieve amazing results. To use it, simply wash and dry the area first. Then, shake well and apply with a dry cloth using circular motions, buffing away any excess. Severely oxidized surfaces might benefit from a second application. What we like. This offers an incredibly simple, one-step solution for headlight restoration. It instantly clears cloudy headlights and protects against oxidation without complex tools. If you prioritize ease of use and quick results for various clear plastics, this is the perfect pick. What people say. Number 2. Butyl Tape RV Marine Seal Kit. Don't wait for visible signs of water damage. By then, moisture has already caused significant harm. This product helps you seal vulnerable areas like roof seams and window frames, stopping leaks before they start. This thick, sticky putty tape creates an extra strong vapor barrier. It seals irregular gaps and cracks, effectively keeping water out. It's built to withstand high temperatures for many years of reliable protection. Unlike shorter rolls that require splicing, this product comes in a generous 36-foot length. This allows you to complete most jobs in one continuous pass. Eliminating splices reduces potential leak points, ensuring a stronger seal. Traditional sealants often harden and crack with temperature changes or surface movement. This butyl putty compound remains permanently flexible. It adapts to gaps as your vehicle moves and seasons shift, maintaining its seal. It's available in multiple colors to perfectly match your specific surface. Choose from white, black, or gray to complement your window frames, rubber seals, or aluminum trim. Select the ideal shade for a seamless finish. What we like. This tape is engineered to stop water damage before it even shows. Its permanent flexibility ensures it conforms to gaps as surfaces move and temperatures shift, unlike rigid sealants. If you need a robust, long-lasting, and flexible seal for RVs, boats, or outdoor applications, this is your go-to. What people say. Number 1. Morimoto Sealed 7 2.0 LED Headlight. Experience a significant upgrade for your vehicle's lighting. This innovative headlight system offers superior performance and a sleek, modern look. See the road like never before with its powerful illumination. It delivers 3,000 lumens on low beam and an impressive 4,000 lumens on high beam. Enjoy enhanced visibility and style with its multifunction capabilities. It features switchback DRLs, turn signals, and bright white daytime running lights. Engineered for endurance, it boasts UV-coated polycarbonate lenses and robust heatsink housings. Its advanced PWM LED driver ensures flicker and error-free operation. Designed for broad compatibility, it easily replaces most 7-inch round headlights. This unit offers a simple plug-and-play assembly for a hassle-free upgrade. What we like. This is a complete headlight housing replacement, offering powerful LED illumination. It features multifunction lights including DRLs and switchback signals for enhanced safety and style. If you're looking for a significant upgrade to your vehicle's lighting system with modern features and a universal fit, this is an outstanding option. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.